Under Swiss skies where the valleys roll, Appenzellerland calls to my soul. With a motorbike roar I hit the road, through fields of green and skies that glow. Alpine breeze whispers through the trees, pastures spread like endless seas. Rolling forward, my heart on fire, towards Mount Saentis the peaks inspire. Ride to Saentis, feeling free, wheels turning wild and carefree. From the quiet towns to the mountain's edge, in Appenzellerland life's a pledge. Cows with bells, they nod as I pass each winding curve, a new world contrast. Farmhouses to the snow-lined peak, every mile's adventure that I seek. Stopping by a lake so clear, mountains reflect, there's no fear. Engines hum, turn soft and low, in Appenzellerland time moves slow. Ride to Saentis, feeling free, wheels turning wild and carefree. From the quiet towns to the mountain's edge, in Appenzellerland life's a pledge. Alpine breeze whispers through the trees, pastures spread like endless seas. Rolling forward, my heart on fire, towards Mount Saentis the peaks inspire. Ride to Saentis, feeling free, wheels turning wild and carefree. From the quiet towns to the mountain's edge, in Appenzellerland life's a pledge. Ride to Saentis, feeling free, wheels turning wild and carefree. From the quiet towns to the mountain's edge, in Appenzellerland life's a pledge.